Welcome to the EDAX Team EDS Map Collection software movie. This movie will be a quick start run-through covering the basics of how to quickly and easily get started in your map setup. The Team EDS software uses a series of smart defaults to help guide you through your collection setup. To begin, we'll get started by selecting the Mapping button in the Activity area. We'll then click on Image Area to capture our area. You'll notice that the imaging options are very similar to those that you've seen in the Point Analysis button. We can activate drift correction here for mapping. When we click on this checkbox, the software will automatically select a high contrast reference area. You'll also notice that it'll drop the SEM magnification to half the magnification that you see in your EDAX field of view. This allows beam shift room for the EDAX software to correct if any drift occurs throughout the map set. Next, we move over to our mapping collection options. You'll see that we have mapping resolution selections ranging up to 2048 by 1600. We also have an auto function that will automatically match the volume of interaction of the X-ray generation to your pixel size. The higher the magnification, the larger the effective beam area and X-ray generation area you'll notice in your X-ray maps. And therefore, the auto function will allow that pixel size to be scaled most appropriately to the volume of interaction. In this case, I'm going to stick with the smart default of 256 by 200. The quality settings are a representation of the amount of X-ray counts that are attained for each pixel at the completion of the run. In a quick quality setting, you'll have fewer X-ray counts per pixel, and at a high quality setting, you'll have a higher number of X-ray counts at the end of the run. Using the quality settings will allow the analyses to be similar, independent of your count rate for any given sample or even any operator. You could also select a manual setting and then select the appropriate or desired number of frames until completion. Again, I'll stick with the smart default of the standard quality setting. The display setting is the type of map displayed during collection. You could change this both before and during collection. To begin our map collection, we'll simply click on the Collect Map button. The software will tell you that it's doing a preview behind the scenes, and it'll also give you an indication of your total collection time. I've chosen the Confirm Elements After Preview so that I could double check the elements that it's found. After it does this preview, we could then modify the element list if we feel that we choose a different one compared to what the auto ID has decided on. In this case, it looks like the auto ID has done a good job describing all the elements in the spectrum. So I'll click on OK, and we'll begin. The software will automatically display the chosen map type, but at any time you can change between map types. On the bottom, you'll notice a thumbnail set, and by toggling on any of these, we get an update on the display. We could click and drag several maps at a time for a customized view, and we could also hide those thumbnails so we could see the full area. This will be the end of the Getting Started with Mapping.